So you may be wondering why I did that, and how is this related to 3D printing? Well, to give you a little bit of background story, I spent quite a bit of time on Reddit, as you can tell by my facial hair. And one of the groups or subreddits that I recently discovered is a Tim Hortons subreddit. People there post their complaints and praises. But recently, there has been a new trend going around. A person took a photo of the drink that they were happy with, and the community noticed that they are gripping the cup a little bit too tight. And some of the comments addressing OP, telling them to chill out. No one is going to take their drink. And the post blew up. After that, you can imagine the kind of post that would keep reappearing and satisfying my goofy sense of humor. Back to 3D printing, and what did I do for this video? I decided that I wanted to save this very silly moment in my life and have it as a reminder by recreating a model that features a hand gripping the cup, with the title for the model being Never Let Go. The process is very simple. Take a picture of the object you want to be 3D modeled, and this tool that I found on MakerLab's website allows you to upload your pictures and turn them into 3D models. Now, of course, you may not have the best results, and you may need to tweak them a little bit using Blender. Right after that, I ended up painting the model within Bamboo Studio and created a base for it in plasticity. I used Army Beige for the skin tone, white for the lid, and red for the cup itself. The base I wanted to be made out of wooden PLA. It's been a while since I used it, as they typically like to clog up your nozzles. Regardless, the print turned out okay. I don't know, I love silly moments like this in life, where everyone is making a joke and trying to step it up a notch. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.